Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, bringing you all the motivation and inspiration to help try and kickstart your day. Here's your quote for today. Amateurs sit and wait for inspiration. The rest of us just get up and go to work. Now you could spend each day sitting there just waiting for some kind of inspiration to come your way and give yourself that kickstart, or you could get off your ass and go and track it down yourself. Get out there and find what you've been looking for. It's very unlikely to ever just get up and come find you, so you make the first move, the only move.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.